Hello guys, it's me Messi, and today we're cutting tomatoes. As you can see, nice red ones, a lot of them here, so many. If you there's more growing, yeah. There's more plants everywhere. Like these are sunflowers.
You have a big one here.
Let me see. Oh, these are the big ones.
Let's take some.
3. Oh no, actually 5 or 6 or 7.
Oh, there are more here.
Let's check in here. It's a nice little place. Very big. It was very small when my dad first planted it. They're very ripe.
These are like a treasure.
This is the smoothest tomatoes I've ever touched. Oh.
Smell is amazing.
Yeah, true.
These are natural.
Also here, he planted some flowers as well, like here, as you can see. I don't know what these are. Oh, these are... Oh, look. One growing here. There's also one growing here. Look what you just found, brother. So like I was saying, there's more here. Oh, I got one. Okay. It's like here, here. This is basically his food source. Like all he needs is sunlight and water and he's good. Look, I think, have you planted this yet? Baba, have you planted any on this row? He might plant something here. He doesn't know yet. There's some more over here. Here. So, like, he has a whole entire food source. All he needs, imagine there's a zombie apocalypse, yeah? All he needs is infinite water, seeds, any seeds, and sunlight. That's all he needs. And electricity. That's the only 4 or 5 things he needs. Yeah, he has flowers here as well. That's gonna be it. I haven't posted in a long time. Peace. Also, just bye.